If you're a nurse, you know firsthand the toll that your work can take on your mental health. But have you heard about Debriefing the Front Lines, the only national nurse-led mental health organization that provides debriefing sessions to nurses? Debriefing the Front Lines offers psychological first aid, sustained emotional wellness programs, and continuing education to nurses across all specialties. Their mission is to support nurses' mental health and help them process the stress and trauma they face on the job. As a nurse, you give your all to your patients day in and day out. Now, it's time to give back to you. Debriefing the Front Lines is here to support you on your journey. Visit their website today at debriefingthefrontlinesinc.org or find them at chartlife.com. That's Life with a Y. Welcome to this guided meditation designed specifically for healthcare workers. My name is Shauntel, and I'll be guiding you through this practice today. Begin by finding a comfortable position, whether it's sitting or lying down. And if you like, gently close your eyes. The work we do as healthcare providers can often become overwhelming, affecting us emotionally, spiritually, physically, and especially mentally. It's important for us to process and release these burdens. Otherwise, they continue to weigh us down. Take a moment now to let your body rest. Bring your attention to your breath. Inhale slowly and deeply. And as you exhale, let go of any tension or stress you may be carrying. Inhale again, slowly and deeply. And exhale, allowing yourself to relax even further. And now imagine a warm, comforting light that begins at the tip of your toes. Visualize this light slowly moving up, enveloping your ankles, and bringing a sense of peace and lightness. Inhale slowly and deeply. And as you exhale, feel the weight of the world lifting off your shoulders. Breathe in and breathe out. Allow yourself to sink deeper into your core, feeling the vibration of love that surrounds you. Notice the warmth of the light as it travels up your lower leg, settling behind your knees. Feel yourself embracing this sensation, and notice a gentle smile forming on your lips as this feeling begins to take over. Continue to breathe in slowly and deeply, allowing the warmth to slowly climb up your thighs, enveloping your entire core. With each breath, feel yourself becoming lighter and more at ease. Inhale. And exhale. Breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. As the light halos your head, let it travel down your neck and shoulders, releasing any tension or tightness. Feel it cascading down your spine and flowing into your arms, making your hands feel both heavy and light at the same time. Extend this warmth all the way to your fingertips, as if you're being embraced by a comforting blanket of light throughout your entire body. Breathe in slowly and deeply. And as you exhale, release any remaining negativity or stress. Inhale. And exhale. Breathe in. And breathe out. Rest here, secure and safe within this cocoon of warmth. Remember that this warmth and love are always accessible to you. They reside within you, ready to be accessed at any time, on any day. You have the power to tap into this inner wellspring of strength and peace whenever you need it. Breathe in. Breathe out. Take a few moments to bask in this comforting light, knowing that it is always there to support and replenish you. When you're ready, Gently bring your awareness back to the present moment, carrying this sense of calm and rejuvenation with you as you continue your valuable work. Thank you for taking this time for yourself, and may you find strength and peace in your journey as a healthcare worker. Breathe in and out.